Today on Rust Bucket Adventures, we're going to dive in just a little bit deeper into this Xtool D7 scanner that we've got currently hooked up to our Lexus 2009 Lexus GX 470. So what we did is we had a problem with our height control. I kind of was a setup. I removed a relay, and we used a number of different scanners to try diagnosing what the problem was, and found that they weren't capable of figuring it out. So what we did is we brought out the big guns. You know, we're looking at $400 or $500 here. This, I think, I would probably say this would be the tool. I mean, if you weren't if you're not a professional mechanic, but you'd work on a lot of your cars, friends' cars that you want to maybe fix and flip, this might be a good tool for you, especially when you're negotiating prices, because it reads so much more than your standard wired $30 dongle, or even the blue driver. And the nice thing is about this is we'll set it up for the vehicle, and it's North America, and without KDSS. Okay, and we'll do an automatic scan here, and so it's scanning through all the monitors, or all the modules, and so this can actually read into. We'll let it finish off here, and we'll take a look. Okay, so basically it looks like it reads into 17 different subsystems into the vehicle, where you're going to get 2 or 3 with the blue driver, and basically you're just going to be able to look at the engine information on the cheaper scanner. So we can take a look here and see, engine, cruise control, air suspension, ABS and traction control, tire pressure monitor system. That would be interesting because I've got a tire pressure light on. We'll dig into that. Theft deterrent, airbag system, body 2, the driver door. With the driver door in the Lexuses and a number of the Toyotas, the driver door controls a lot of functions. The other doors and such like that, other windows as well. Tilt and telescoping steering wheel, the driver's seat. Let's see, mirrors, rain sensing, the rain sensor that's up there. The wipers, and detection of occupant. So we can come over here and just say report. Doesn't find anything. It says everything's good. We could save that report if you were working on it for other people. So let's just go back here and let's automatic scan. Let's see, system selection. Let's look at tire pressure monitoring. Live data. Let's see. Tires. Doesn't tell us the speeds, but we got like registration codes. So I have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the 4 tires plus the spare, and it's giving me my tire pressure. Aha! I got a strange feeling right there. Tire 5. Tire 5 is why my light's on. I've got 26 psi in my spare. We'll pump that up and see if we can make that disappear. And it tells me what the tire temperatures are. So the sun's shining on. It looks like the sun is probably shining on tires 2 and 4, which would be my guess. They were the front tires. Battery voltage. So there is a lot of information that you can gain or glean from this system, or from this monitor. So let's see what kind of special functions. Oh, we could do register new TPMS, check the signals. It's got repair tips, clear the codes, the live data there. Let's see, let's look at the engine, and let's take a look at special functions. What kind of special functions can we do with the engine? Well, then reset the memory. I don't think I want to do either one of those by setting the VIN. You know, like if I was swapping out the ECU unit. Actuation test. What kind of actuation test can we do with the engine control? We can control the volume for the air fuel, control the volume of the fuel injection, cut off the AC. There is control shift position, line lockup pressure, activate the vacuum pump, activate the starter relay, control the VVTI for the banks. There's a lot of stuff in here. I could probably cause some bad things to happen in the vehicle. We'll skip that. Live data. And basically it'll tell me the oxygen sensor readings. Let's see, we'll give it a little bit of gas and able to make the runtime of the engine in seconds. You can see the air fuel ratio. It's supposed to be 14.7, so I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty darn close. And we'll give it a little bit of juice. And so this has a lot more information. Distance since the last time I cleared the codes, it looks like it was 9,500 miles. Atmospheric pressure, temperature of the cats. So I could see if I'm got an overheated cat because it's plugging up. There is so much information. So there's 226 things just from the engine. Let's see what we can do about driver door. Let's see, actuation tests, power windows. Okay. No, I don't want to. Power window. Up. Let's see, we'll go down. And now we can go up. So we were able to actuate the windows just by doing that. Let's see if we can do other windows. Let's see. I don't want to mess with the demobilizer, cruise control, air suspension. Let's see what's in the airbags. I don't want to push that. Make the airbag go off. I don't think so. So you have your body control, actuator tests. So we can do hazard lights. Let's see. So we'll shut that off. And they're off. So you can see that upgrading to a more expensive tool definitely gives you a lot more power. This isn't as probably as good as TechScan, but it doesn't cost as much as TechScan either. So I guess I am not going to complain. So this is a definite upgrade from what you would normally get from a standard tool. So again, this is just a quick overview. Being able to download updates for 3 years after you buy it. There's another, just a special functions one. You can program the key, maybe instrument cluster, TPMS reset. There is just so much that you can do. And the thing is, again, it's not just this vehicle. You can pick, actually I don't want to do that. I don't want to do an auto scan. We'll go diagnosis, and we can pick different vehicles. We can, these are my favorites, but there's more available underneath there. You can see it's all in here. I've got Bentley, Benz, BMW, Opel. There's things from Europe and China, India. There's more in here than what I just have. Like Chinese vehicles. These are all just. Here's Geely. We'll probably be seeing those before too long. In Europe. And we'll just go Americas. And so basically anything that's OBD2 compliant, 96, I think some of the vehicles 96, 97 and up have the OBD2 port in it. And so you can basically check out just about any vehicle that's on the road today that you can get your hands on. Automatic updates. Basically it's immobilizers, diagnosis, updates, Porsche. You can just see the list goes on and on and on and on. So yeah, if you're looking for a tool that's better than handheld ones, or the scanner, when they come out at AutoZone to scan your car, or the Blue Driver, but not spend thousands of dollars, you might want to look into the Xtool. There are other people that have done reviews of this, and they have multiple models. This was their wired one. I didn't want to pay the extra $150 for Bluetooth, wireless connection. For me, cabled was fine. It's a 5-foot cable, and it's plugged in by the driver door, and we're sitting in the passenger seat right there. So that's good enough for me. So that's it for this episode of Rust Bucket Adventures. And like and subscribe if you like what you see here. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.